Do you like sugarcane? I love sugarcane. But have you ever thought, do the sugarcane farmers are really happy about growing sugarcane? See, usually the sugarcane farmers, they grow sugarcane and they sell the sugarcane to the sugar mills. Now, sugar mills, they will buy the sugarcane by paying some advance. And within 14 days, the sugar mills will pay the balance amount to the farmers. But what if the sugar mills are not paying the balance amount? As of February 2025, close to 14,000 crore worth balance amount is yet to be paid by the sugar mills to the sugar farmers. This we refer it as cane arrears. This topic, fair and remunerative prices of sugarcane, is very important from a UPSC exam point of view. See, I have done a detailed video on what is this FRP and also other issues surrounding the sugar prices in detail. For more information, you can visit our Simply Current Affairs YouTube channel. Prelims hit list, topic number 3.